All right, just for my own safekeeping, so I remember how to set this stupid thing up. Of course, I'll be using my Marshall Studio 15, but got a good Ampeg rocket reverb sound right here. Let's see. So, out of the guitar into the Boss chromatic tuner. Daisy chain the power supplies on the Boss to the following pedals. First is the Ibanez tremolo pedal, then the Boss phase shifter, then the Ibanez chorus, then the Vox, and it's the valve tone. Yeah, Vox valve tone. Into the big muff. Look at the settings here. It's getting a really good. Only sounds good with the tube screamer on. Only sounds good with the tube screamer, which is over here. And the tube screamer's actually on. Okay. From there, going to the 70s DoD vintage graphic EQ, unfindable pedal anymore. And then out of that, we go into the, skip over the Memory Man first, go into the Ibanez UE 300, and then we come out. Another thing I want to remember is keeping the threshold high and the level low, and the attack time short, which is, you can barely see it, it's like right here, short. Gets a great compressed fat warm sound, even if you can pull this down a little bit, but use it for some volume. And then out of the send extension back into the Memory Man, then from the memory echo out, back over to the receive, and then out either one or two here, and over to the line 6, my looper, delay modular, the DL, is it the DL4? Yeah, the DL4. Programmable delay. Okay, and then out of that, up into the input. That's it. That's what I need to remember. Somehow, gotta fit the volume and the wah pedal in there, but just ran out of room and chords. Oh, crap. Time tonight. This has worked out to be, I just got to remember, this has worked out to be a phenomenal set of sounds for me tonight. Just really loving it. And make the pedal board crafted around that. Okay.